Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Weng po ito sa Virginia. Binabati po kayo ng happy birthday. Sana po ay mag-enjoy kayo. Gusto ko po sana makarating dyan pero hindi po pwede. So sa susunod na lang po tayo magkita-kita. Baka sa 2015, December, baka dyan kami mag-Christmas ni James. So enjoy po kayo. Happy birthday. God bless. I love you. And I'll call you on your birthday. Happy birthday, Ima. Hello to everybody. Enjoy.